Yeah, you can sit. Hurry up. Oh, you are all so failed. You have not understood. Chloe, come and try. Match those numbers.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel at part1. I'm very excited to be here with you guys, and guys, today we are going to Iganga, guys, to go shopping. I have one of these beautiful subscriber, my mom, like she's just amazing. So she sent me $100 and she was like, "Sir, I want you to go and buy gumboots, and the rest of the money you will see what to use for you, not for your grandpa," because she sent me first for my grandpa's, and then she said this one is for you, not for your grandpa. And guys, I was like, okay, what should I do? And yeah, I was excited. I wanted to go buy clothes, look around, like I was thinking about even making my hair, maybe going for the salon, you know. But as I was walking, but I was walking down on the road to my village, I saw these two old ladies. Like I thought, if I have money, why shouldn't I go and buy something for them? Then I went and talked with my mom, I talked with my brother, and he was like, "Oh, that's a good idea. It's better than going to buy clothes, but if you help someone." So I said, like, okay, let us find more other 10 people where we can serve. And guys, I just want to show you what $100 can do to our village. It's quite money. And yeah, I'm going to buy my gumboots and then buy the stuff that we will need for them. And later in the day, we'll be just giving them the things. But anyways, guys, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you're my beautiful returning subscriber, yeah, thank you so much for coming. And yeah, I'm in the taxi, as you can see. Yeah, I'm here, and let us go to Iganga and do our shopping. By the way, don't forget to go and subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Subscribe, please. I need your help. I need my channel to grow up. You know, I want to meet most YouTubers. Really. So kindly subscribe.
Okay. So hey guys, right now we have reached in the market, and yeah guys, do you love white? I'm just loving this white, but there's green. Green is my color, but right now I'm just maybe even black. But honestly, I'm just loving this white. It looks so beautiful. Maybe it's because I dress something like white. But yeah, see guys, is it nice? Is it nice? Is it really nice? I'm just loving it. Thank you so much, my mom from the US. Thank you so much for loving me, for supporting everything. Mom, I have bought, and look at me, I'm so happy. Okay.
I think that one will be enough.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And guys, we have found these mats and we want to buy at home. It's nice here, guys. It's nice. I'll talk when we are home. Yeah, and but we have bought this for the kids. And yeah, we are going to buy the stockings. So hey guys, welcome. and welcome back to my channel at Sara Tourist. I'm very excited to be here with you today, and guys, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're my beautiful returning subscriber, ya Allah, thank you so much for coming back. Guys, as I was in the taxi, I was telling you what I'm going to do. Guys, I was blessed. One of my subscribers, my mother, like, guys, my mother, I got a mother in the US. Can you see that? Can you imagine that? Me having a parent in the US, this is so beautiful. And my mother, she was like, Sarah, I saw you when you were making the mat. Do you remember that video I made when I was renovating my grandpa's house? So she saw that video and she was like, Sarah, I'm going to send you money for your grandpa to support the grandpa's building, and then I'll send you money for you. And yeah, I have been waiting for this money, and yeah, Allah, guys, she sent me $100. Guys, I want to show you how $100 can really do to our village. Yeah, so after like when she gave me that $100, she said, Sarah, this is for you. Yeah, like buy the gumboots, buy the socks and the rest, see how you're going to use it. And I was very excited. I know I'm going to buy clothes, I'm going to go to the market, shop clothes, buy shoes. I wanted a traveling bag. So that was always in my mind. After here, I'm going to look for that bag. But guys, one day as I was walking around, I saw these two old ladies. They were like, they had nothing, you know. And I was like, they have given me this money, how about I buy 1 kilo of sugar and share with them? And again, I went to visit one of my friends, just is still a neighbor, and she was like, Sarah, please buy for me sugar. And oh, it opened my mind, and I'm like, okay, these people really need help. What if I go and what if I use this money to do something great for my community? I talked to my mom, and she was like, Sarah, it's okay, do what you want. I was super excited. I was super happy that she supported me to do that. And guys, we are just from town, and we bought all the things. They are not enough. They are not much. They are not enough. They will not like be enough to everyone in the community. But yeah, we have managed to do that. And guys, what I have forgot to tell you is that right now the primary 1 to 2 and the baby class, they are not going to class because of corona issues. Like they say, the kids, they don't have to go to school. And my mom have been teaching kids here, kids for their neighbors, and my daughter, she have been like teaching them to write, not forget. So they were not sitting well, and I managed to buy things like a seat, a mat for them, and books and things. Guys, let me start showing the things that we have. Let me start with the mats. Guys, I bought these 2 mats, and I'm going to give them when they are going to study to sit, because we don't have the seats nearby. We don't have the seats, and the seats are expensive. Like these ones were a bit cheap, and they are going to work wonders. Yeah, and then we bought the books. This is for the teacher, my mom. You know, like, she's my mother, and again, she's a teacher, you know. This is the book for the teacher, and then she'll be writing here her themes because she was struggling. She have been using my books that I used to use, like, that I had kept because I'm doing computer programming, and I had to buy a book. So I wrote it into the half, and she was writing starting from this side. So I was like, let me buy one for her. And then, guys, there are 8 kids, but I have bought like 12 books because maybe one can come in and they don't have a book. So I bought 12, a dozen for them, and then 12 pencils by their 8 kids. I know these are going to work to make wonders. Guys, they have been fighting for pencils. One could cry like when they don't have the pencils. You're going to the prize class. I also bought the rubbers. These rubbers for like when they make a mistake, they can rise, you know. And also a sharpener. This sharpener. Yeah, and also this sharpener. And yes, for my daughter, she's going to P2, so we want her to try using a pen. I bought for her this one, and the red color for marking the class for my mom, you know. Yeah, so that is it for the class. I'm happy that I have done this. I'm happy that the kids are going to have somewhere they are going to write, and I'm praying that they at least learn something through it, you know. Yeah, anyway, this is this for the class. Let us go to the things that I want. And guys, like, as she was telling me, she said, Sarah, go buy socks and the gumboots. And yes, guys, I bought the white one. I just wanted to buy something special, something which will make me remember that you, Sarah, someone bought this for you. The gumboots. And guys, I will no longer fear to go outside and dig and maybe walk in the muddy place, you know, even to vlog outside when it's really cold. So I have got these ones and I'm ready to walk safely. Yeah, those are mine. And yeah, guys, this is sugar. Oh, this is sugar. They are 26 kilograms, 25. They are 25 kilograms, and here we have chose like 10 family, and we're going to give 2 kilograms per family. And yeah, we have seen the matchbox is very insurance. So they are 10 families, one for each. And then the soap, there are also 10 bars. There are also 10 bars and salt, and of course you can't buy sugar without buying the tea leaves. So we bought that, and then the peppers that we are going to keep the things. Guys, let us pack and start serving to our community, you know. So guys, 2 kilograms of sugar. Then this one too. 2 tea leaves. And the matchbox, we have seen that, yeah, these people, they I have looked with things that I really need when I'm at home, like matchbox, because we have to be making fire every day. Sugar have to be taken every day. And yeah, this one have 10 pieces inside, and each box have like 40 sticks, so it will be enough. And guys, here is the salt. I will need the knife. Guys, let me go bring a knife. And guys, for this one we are going to put 2 each, and then the bar soap. And then for the bar soap, this size 1. But for this one we are not going to put inside because the soap smells not good, so we are going to leave it separate. So I think this is for the first family. And here, let me pack everything, and then you see us as we are going to serve them. Thank you so much for watching, for loving me, for supporting the Surrey tourist. Guys, people are loving my village. I'm so happy that you guys, you just connected to me. Thank you so much. And yeah, let us finish this, and yeah, you see me as we are serving them the things. So hi guys, as you can see, these things are heavy, so we are going to take like 3. As you know, they are 10 because these people, other people are this side, others are this side, others they are just there. So we want to take 3 slowly, so that we can finish in time when we are not very tired.
Hey, my beautiful family, I decided to make 2 parts. Like, this is the first part and then the second one. I'll just end here for today, for now. And then the next part will be just within 2 hours. Same me, guys, don't forget subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Bye-bye.